Hey guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying safe out there. Massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you again. I really appreciate it. You guys are incredible. I love talking with everyone in the comments and the community tab. If you're new to this channel, smash the subscribe button, turn on that little bell notification as well, because I love doing these videos on a regular basis, as you can see right here. Documenting my journey with investing, be it through cryptos, dividend stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom, and my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along this incredible journey. Little disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and due diligence. Jump on all the websites I've recommended in all of these videos, guys. It's very important. Get confident before investing. And me personally, I only invest what I can afford to lose. And yes, we don't like to lose, guys, but I don't like to stress either. So please, please, please be careful. Do your own research. Don't take what I say as financial advice, all right? Thank you. All right, now that the formalities are out of the way, guys, this is a dividend stock in investing video update, because I am still dollar cost averaging into my stock portfolio. I think it's very important, guys, because it's diversifying my investments, and I haven't provided an update in a while. So I'm just going to get into this, right? Okay, so here's my stock portfolio. It is on stake. And now if you are interested in investing in the US stock market, please feel free to use the referral link below. If you do, we can get a stock in Dropbox, GoPro, or Nike. And yes, I can safely say I've got a few stocks in GoPro. I've got a few stocks in Dropbox. And yes, I do have one share in Nike. And thank you very much to those who have subscribed and to stake using that referral link. I really appreciate it. So guys, this is my stock portfolio. I'm mainly a dividend stock investor. So for those of you who are, don't know what dividend stocks are, basically it's like a form of passive income. You hold these stocks and they pay you every month or quarter or annually, depending on what stock you hold. But mainly I am invested in quarterly dividend paying stocks and monthly dividend paying stocks. So they pay me a form of passive income, and it only grows over time. So this I will never sell. So my portfolio is sitting at $28,010.88 USD, which is unbelievable, guys. I've had a total return on the day of $296, so it's 1%, and a total return of 23% across my entire portfolio, which is incredible as well, because I bought all throughout 2020 when the market was going down. I bought the dip. That's basically what it means. So total return of $5,416.75 USD. This is in US dollars. So you can see here, it's pretty much a mixed bag here. Obviously, I've got my biggest holdings, which I'll show you my dividend tracking app. But obviously, Apple is a great it's a great company to hold because it's a tech company. AbbVie, AGNC, AMC. Obviously, I've got my big ones here that I actually love, and I'll go straight to them, guys, and I'll get into them now. So ExxonMobil, I started investing in this because the oil sector got absolutely crashed last year in 2020, and I dollar cost averaged into ExxonMobil, and I've seen an incredible return, but it's sitting at $57 a share of ExxonMobil. It's on the day, it's up 3%, guys, but you can see here I've had a total return of 20% in my investment in ExxonMobil, seeing $5,000 in equity there. So it's taken me a while, guys. So I'm now sitting at 90 shares of ExxonMobil. So this is one of my biggest positions. Let's have a look here. Another one I'm bullish on at the moment, guys, is SPHD. Yes, it's an ETF. So when you're buying SPHD, you're buying the top 50 dividend-paying companies in the S&P 500, and these pay you monthly. This ETF pays you monthly. It's at $42 right now. It's on the day. It's at a 0.75% return on the day, and basically I've had a 12% return on my money in the last 12 months, guys, which is incredible. Sitting at 84 shares of SPHD, $3,600 in equity right now. So that's incredible. Also, guys, I forgot to mention the dividend yield is sitting at 3.8%, which is a great, medium here. I like to be between 2 to 5 max. Any higher than that, you risk a dividend cut. But this is definitely one of my favorite projects. I'm still stuck in the crypto space. It's still one of my favorite investments because it pays me monthly dividends, guys, which is awesome as well. The other one here is EPD, and I just want to show you this now because this company here is incredible, guys. They are mainly involved in the gas and oil sector, like the energy sector here, sitting at $21 a share of EPD. It's had a day return of 0.74%. I'm down a little bit on my investment here of 3.28%, but I'm not concerned about that. They do have a dividend yield of 8.28%, which is getting on the higher side. They have consistently paid dividends, and they have also raised their dividends as well, which is great as well. So guys, EPD is one to look at if you're considering a higher dividend yield in the oil and gas sector here. So other than that, guys, I'm just going to show you my dividends that I've received for September. So let's have a look here. You can see I've got 35 cents in dividends sitting in my portfolio at the moment. Obviously here, let's go straight back to the 1st of September here. So I can just show you what I've been paid this month, and I think that's very important. So the 1st of September here, All right, so LTC paid me 5 cents, OSXQ paid me 22 cents, LAND paid me 9 cents, SPHD paid me 10 cents. Guys, we're taxed 15% here in Australia, which is really annoying, but you've got to pay your tax. So $10. Gain paid me 70 cents, PGX paid me 6 cents. Keep scrolling up here, the 2nd of September, WFC paid me 4 cents. 3rd of September paid me 12 cents, VLO. I did deposit some more money in there, and dollar cost averaging into this. I bought EPD, SPHT, and AT&T. Here we go here. So 8th of September, PFE paid me 21 cents. Johnson & Johnson paid me 33 cents. VCLT paid me 35 cents. Unilever paid me 8 cents. TLT paid me 2 cents. UPS paid me 14 cents. AGNC $1.54. EMR paid me 8 cents. IBM, the tech company here, paid me 16 cents. ExxonMobil was a huge one, guys. It paid me $75, and that pays out every quarter, guys, so it's always growing. Basically, it's allowing me to buy 1.2 shares now, and this is what happens with dividends. You snowball, so it's pretty cool, guys. Target paid me 8 cents. CVX, which is Chevron, paid me 47 cents. WBA paid me 96 cents. So 15th September paid 3M, paid me 49 cents. Here we go here. This is... 16th of September paid me, EPR paid me 4 cents, Main Street Capital paid me $1.22. This is a monthly dividend payer. Gain paid me 30 cents, Key paid me 11 cents, O Realty paid me $6.03. Great REITs as well. If you're not able to buy physical real estate, you can buy a REIT, and it's a great opportunity if you're young to start investing in real estate. So this is a monthly dividend payer. I receive that every single month, guys. Forever, until they cut it, which I don't think they will, because real estate is only going to go up in value. Stag is an industrial REIT. They paid me $3.17. K paid me 16 cents. MCD, which is McDonald's, paid me 6 cents. ERF paid me 17 cents. PBA, okay, 17th September, paid me 85 cents. VTRS paid me 1 cent. Duke Energy paid me 11 cents. Keep scrolling down here, and again, I bought more O Realty because I reinvested those dividends. FLO paid me 9 cents. This is on the 20th of September. WM, which is Waste Management here, they paid me 7 cents. And D, I believe, is Dominion Energy. They paid me 25 cents, guys. So that's pretty much it. In terms of September here, 28,000. I'm just going to show you my dividend now. So my annual dividend income has gone up, which is great. So it's sitting at $1,381 a year in dividends. So this is only going to go up in value over time. Today I'm due to receive 29 cents from BAC and LMT 39 cents. Here are my top 3 dividend payers. ExxonMobil pays me $436 a year, SPHD $177, EPT $117, Prospect Capital pays me $103, O Realty $100, AT&T $85, VYM is an index fund, or ETF, sorry, pays me $76, and Stag pays me $52. I'm not going to go through all the companies because there's a lot of them there, but that's pretty much the top, companies that pay me dividends. So I've got an annual dividend goal of $20,000, which I've reached 7% of that goal. So this is pretty incredible, guys. 32% is from energies and minerals companies, and I'm due to receive $14 this month in September. So the portfolio in Australian dollars, guys, $38,655.57, which is awesome. I've had a total return of 23%, $7,408 Australian. This is AUD now. So you keep scrolling down here. I love doing this and going, these are all the companies, by the way. So this is the horizon. You can check your progress here, right? So in 10 years, guys, if I didn't do any more of my personal investing, I just reinvested the dividends, it would be valued at $65,000, and it would pay me $4,400 a year, which is unreal, guys. I love going straight to the 20-year chart. So in 20 years, my portfolio is going to be worth $200,000, guys, and it will pay me $23,000 a year. Now, for that is like roughly about $300 a week, if not more, close to $350, I believe, which is pretty cool, guys. So think about that in terms of another investment strategy. You know, over 20 years, it just snowballs, and even if I keep adding more into this portfolio, it's just going to keep growing so fast and so fast. It just doesn't stop. And this is what I'm talking about, generational wealth. You can then hand over this portfolio to family or whatever it may be, your wife, kids, and they can live off this for the rest of their lives if they're smart. But this is dividend investing, guys. This is the power of it, and I wish I had known this when I was younger. So that's pretty much it, guys. I just want to give you an update in my dividend portfolio. I'm very happy about this progress here. So $1,300, well and truly on my way here. It's going to take a lot more time and a lot more investment. And guys, with the crypto stuff, if I make a lot of money with the cryptos, I mean, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to invest into other cryptocurrencies, obviously, but I'm going to put a portion of this into index funds because it's just going to grow at 10% a year. and it will pay me a dividend. So it's like receiving an income completely passive, so you can rely on that. So if you put like, $200,000 or $300,000 in this, think about what it would pay you a year. So it would pay close to 10 to 15,000 just in one index fund a year. So that would provide you with an income, so you don't have to stress about money. Very smart, guys. Make money work for you, not you work for money. All right, that's pretty much it, guys. Stay safe. I just want to give you a dividend stock portfolio update. All right, peace, guys. Bye.